Hello guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel Voice of Malinki. So today we will discuss about the differences between innate immunity and adaptive immunity. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. So let's talk about the difference between innate and adaptive immunity. Innate immunity is also known as genetic or natural immunity, because innate immunity is written on the gene. That's why it is known as genetic or natural immunity. It comes naturally to our body. Whereas adaptive immunity is also known as acquired immunity. That means we need to acquire this type of immunity in our life. Innate immunity, here one is born with innate immunity. So we born in the world with innate immunity, whereas one does not born with adaptive immunity. So we need to acquire or adopt adaptive immunity during our life, but we don't born in this world with adaptive immunity. Innate immunity, it is body's first and second line of defense. First and second line of defense. So first line of defense means it prevents the entry of pathogen in our body. It prevents the entry of pathogen in our body. It is first line of defense. And second line of defense is if the pathogen could somehow enter our body, then second line of defense will kill them. So first line of defense prevents the entry of pathogen, and if some pathogens could enter the body, they crossed first line of defense, that time the second line of defense works and they kill the antigen, they kill the pathogen. Adaptive immunity, it is body's third line of defense. So adaptive immunity is the third line of defense. So in case innate immunity does not work, that means the first and second line of defense failed to work or failed to kill the pathogen, third line of defense or adaptive immunity will come to work. Innate immunity offers lifelong protection. So it offers lifelong protection. So it protects us throughout the life. Adaptive immunity, in most cases, it does not last throughout entire lifespan of an organism. In some cases, although it lasts throughout our entire lifespan, but in most of the cases, it does not last throughout our entire lifespan. Innate immunity is fast acting within hours of an infection. So innate immunity works very fast. They act within hours of an infection. Whereas adaptive immunity is slow acting and they take days or weeks to develop. So adaptive immunity is not as fast as innate immunity. Rather, they take days or weeks to develop. Innate immunity is non-specific. So it does not respond differently on different microbes. So it is non-specific. That means, suppose pathogen A and pathogen B and pathogen C, these three are different pathogens. So A, B, C all are attacking our body. Now innate immunity cannot differentiate between them. So they only can attack the foreign microbes, but they cannot differentiate between A, B and C, because innate immunity walks through PAMP and PRR that we know. So PAMP is the pathogen associated molecular pattern that is found on the surface of microbes. And in case of PRR, it is the pattern recognition receptor that is found in the immune cell of our body. So interaction between PAMPs and PRR occurs, then it activates the innate immunity, or then our immune cells can kill the microbes. But that is non-specific. It does not respond differently on different microbes. Whereas adaptive immunity is specific. It can distinguish among different types of antigens and respond accordingly. So if this A, B and C attack us, our adaptive immunity can recognize them as different pathogens. That is, adaptive immunity can respond them. That is, adaptive immunity can identify that A is different antigen, B is different antigen and C is different antigen. So, adaptive immunity can distinguish between these three antigens or different pathogens. So, this is specific, and then they work accordingly based on the microorganism, pathogen or antigen. So, it is little bit customized. It is customized. So, it acts based on the antigen. Now, innate immunity is less diverse because it recognizes fewer microbes. So, innate immunity is not as diverse as adaptive immunity. Rather, it is less diverse and it can recognize fewer microbes. Whereas, adaptive immunity is highly diverse. They are able to recognize infinite diversity of antigens so that each different pathogen can be targeted specifically. So, adaptive immunity can recognize infinite diversity of antigens. That means huge number of antigens they can recognize. So, they are highly diverse, and based on those antigens, they act accordingly. In innate immunity, they do not have any immunologic memory. Similar responses is on repeated exposure. So, in case of innate immunity, suppose this is antigen pathogen A. This pathogen is attacking us now, and then after 1 year, again this pathogen is attacking us. But innate immunity cannot remember that this A pathogen has already attacked us. It cannot remember like that. It cannot memorize. So, it will show the similar response on the antigen or on this pathogen as it has shown it before. So, this is innate immunity. But in case of adaptive immunity, immunologic memory is there. So, second encounter with the same antigen induces a heightened state of immune reactivity. So, in this case, if A antigen is attacking us and after 1 year again this A is attacking us, in this case adaptive immunity can remember them, they can recognize them and they have the memory. So, they can remember that yes, this A antigen has attacked us already, and then in this second encounter adaptive immunity will respond more actively. It will produce heightened state of immune reactivity. So, the immune reactivity will be more than the previous time or than the first encounter. This is known as immunologic memory. Innate immunity is antigen independent because exposure to antigen is not essential to activate innate immunity. So, innate immunity does not require any antigen to be activated. Whereas, in adaptive immunity, they are antigen dependent. Exposure to antigen is essential. So adaptive immunity require antigen to get activated. Components of innate immunity are phagocytic cells, antimicrobial substances, natural killer cells, inflammation, fever, and some physical barrier like skin, like our mucous membrane. These are some physical barriers. And the components of adaptive immunity are B cells, T cells, and APC or antigen presenting cells. So these are the components of adaptive immunity. Innate immunity is found in all multicellular organisms. So in all multicellular organisms you will get innate immunity, whereas adaptive immunity is only found in vertebrates. So adaptive immunity is not found in all multicellular organisms, but it is only found in vertebrates. So these are the differences between innate and adaptive immunity.